Well, shit. A few weeks ago, I was tested positive for corona, which made me isolate myself from the family and everybody else. So I thought I could do something in my backyard. Here's a video of my first DIY brick oven pizza and my first classic pizza. My first pizza ever. Hope you enjoy. So it all started when I was obsessed with watching all the videos made by Frank from Best Pizza in New York, traveling the world and tasting different types of pizza. And that inspired me to learn about pizza, especially the Italian pizza.
Shoot up to New Rochelle, my new pizzeria is about to open. Then to my alma mater in Hudson Valley, and return to Giacomo's, the pizzeria that inspired me to open my own.
And somehow I got this urge to make pizza. Then I still did some digging. Then I stumbled upon Mark from Locali's, the best pizza in New York.
I really wasn't planning on making pizza. I really didn't know what I wanted to do. I was in the construction business. I used to do marble and granite fabrication. Didn't do a lot of cooking. You know, I let my grandmother do all the cooking. She was amazing at it. Did a lot of eating, not a lot of cooking.
Well, then I started thinking, how do I make an oven? So I went on YouTube and watched a bunch of videos how to make a DIY brick oven for the classic pizzas. Turns out the process is pretty simple. First of all, you have to make a mold, the structure, the base structure. And then you have to apply plastic or something waterproof on top of it so the cement doesn't go on it. And then you get your refractory cement. There's a lot of stuff, you could Google it up, find it on the web. And then you apply it on top of it. So I started off, day one.
Good morning. Let's see.
First, I was doing my draft on how the structure should be, the dome itself. And then I applied the body with sheetrock that I had available in the house. And then I put netting on top of it to give it the support of the structure when the cement is applied. Then we applied the cement on top of it. It's the first coat. In total, I put like 3-4 coat after each one of them dried. To do the chimney, I put a juice box over there so I could put cement on top of it. And then I put another plastic around it, and later you will see I put cement around the chimney so you could have a nice circular structure around the chimney. I had my friend help me out with the cement. He usually does cement work, so he was in the house working and he gave me a hand. He did most of the cement work. As I mentioned earlier, this is how we made the chimney around the juice box. So when the cement dries up, you could see how the chimney would be circular. And this is when it dried. After the first coat dried, you could see everything inside of it is barely holding the structure up. You don't really need that much support. One important part to consider is that plastic. The plastic should be wrapped around all on top of the molding so that when it dries up, it's easy to take off everything inside. Everything inside is dry. And when we took it off, I forgot to record it, but we basically, you need fire bricks, and then you create a base structure of cement, preferably 1 to 2 inch thick. Made the base with just a 1 inch thick cement layer, and we put fire brick on top of it. And this is the first time when we fired it up, just to, prep the oven. Inside, all the air pockets could leave the structure. And here it looks. Now I started off making the first dough. First of all, I have never made pizza in my life. Saw lots of videos, found out the ingredients. I was looking for 00 flour, but couldn't find it. Those are apparently the best flour for Neapolitan pizzas. So we just use the regular all-purpose dough. And for cheese, I use mozzarella and also just basil and organic tomato paste. Here's my mom making her version of pizza. Lazy boy in the back sleeping. Right there. He's hiding behind the pillow. And finally, I put the pizza in. This was a pretty exciting moment for me. A few days ago, I was just thinking about making pizza, and now it's here. Came out really good. However, I don't think I got the high temperature that I was looking for. So my mom did some tests and she said it's good. And I think it was better, way better than I expected. Now it's my mom's pizza. I call it Bengali pizza. As you could see, way too much topping and sauce, but it turned out it was really tasty. All right, come. We might have to heat up the oven too. Oh my God, yeah, we have to heat it up. It's almost... Now we tried some lamb chops. I really didn't know how to control the heat. It looked like it was doing good. This is how the chop looked when I brought it out. It was really good. However, I think I burnt some pieces of it. Anyways, my first try, first pizza, first oven. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks. A huge shout out to Frank from Best Pizza and the pizza show on Munchies, and also Mark from Localis for having those videos up and inspiring a kid like me to make pizza out of nowhere. Thanks.